Hello students, today we start MySQL. So MySQL is a freely available open source relational database management system which is also known as RDBMS that uses structured query language. It is downloadable from site www.mysql.org. So MySQL is a free available software without any cost and it can be downloadable from this www.mysql.org site. In a MySQL database, information is stored in a table. A single MySQL database can contain many tables at once and store thousands of individual records. MySQL provides you with a rich set of features that support a secure environment for storing, maintaining and accessing data. So by the help of MySQL, we can store large data in a table and a database can contain many tables. MySQL is a fast, reliable, scalable alternative to many of the commercial RDBMS available today. So MySQL is very fast and reliable RDBMS. MySQL database system. MySQL database system refers to the combination of a MySQL server instance and a MySQL database. MySQL operates using client-server architecture in which server runs on the machine containing the database and client connect to the server over a network. So what is the server? MySQL server listens for client request coming in over the network and access database content according to those requests and provides that to the client. So MySQL server listen client request from the network and access database content client according to those requests. So what is the client? Clients. These are programs that connect to the database server and issue query in a pre-specified format. MySQL is a computable with the standards based SQL or structured query language. So MySQL, in order to access data within the MySQL database, all programs and user must use SQL. So whenever we want to access data or all type of database operations, we use SQL. SQL is a set of commands that recognized by the nearly all RDBMS. The SQL is a language that enables you to create and operate two relational database which are sets of the related information stored in a tables. So what are the SQL commands or SQL statements? So classification of SQL statement. SQL provides many different types of commands used for different purpose. SQL command can be mainly divided into following categories. Generally, SQL commands divided into three categories. First is DDL, second is DML and third is TCL. So first is our DDL. DDL stands for Data Definition Language. Commands that allow you to perform tasks related to data definition like, so whenever you want to create, alter or drop database, it is defined in a DDL, or granting and revoking privileges and roles and maintaining commands. So all these tasks can be done in a DDL category, data definition languages. Our second is data manipulation languages. Commands that allow you to perform data manipulation like retrieval, insertion, deletion, modification of data stored in a database. So whenever you want to insert, delete or update information, that time we will use DML, data manipulation languages. So we can also retrieve data from database by the help of DML language, data manipulation language. Third is transaction control language. Command that allow you to manage and control the transactions. A transaction is a set of is one of the complete unit of working involving many steps. So to control a transaction, what we can do, making changes to database permanent, undoing changes to database permanent, creating save points or setting property for current transaction. All these tasks can be done by the help of TCL, transaction control languages. So today we learned what is MySQL, from where how we can download this software, and MySQL is a freely available software. What is MySQL database system? It consists two parts, server and clients. Then we learned classification of SQL statement. We have three types of SQL statements: DDL, DML and TCL. All these languages have their different roles, and we define all the roles whatever we want to do in a particular category.